What's that word? What's that word on Biggity back? I'm about to go see about my car lock. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell y'all, it's 40 degrees, man. It feel like it's 80 degrees, man. Look at all the snow. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Woo-wee! It's one of them days. Yeah, so my trunk key don't open. My other key don't open, so I'm about to go up here and see if this guy can fix it. My baby out, man, yeah. I gotta get some more hood caps. Really some more tires. I don't know what just happened though. Man. But yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get that to the locksmith though. All the keys. Yeah. And he just started doing it out of nowhere.
Is it just on the one door? Or is it
All of the doors, yeah. And then, like I said, the trunk also is not working. Okay. Oh, you say you about to make it?
I don't know yet.
Oh, okay. He just took my keys and walked off. Yeah, it started working on that side too. Yeah, man. Gotta get the key. So I spoke to with the guy who's supposed to do the 6x9s. He said he don't get off until 5. So I'll probably just swing his way either at 5 or I'll probably just do it another day. But it's gonna be cold as hell. Tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all next week, cold as hell. This man about to smoke a cigarette. I was about to say, he think he on break. Yeah, this tire bald. Bald head ass tire. This tire good right here. Do that next week. Gotta wash my baby. I'm gonna get a hand wash this time. Damn, that sweat stuff. But yeah, really, that's it though. I'ma just wait to do everything else. Cause it only makes sense. I'm about to get another car real soon. I just wanna, until I get another car, I'm gonna be riding this. I'm gonna just have this in tip-top shape. Also, I was thinking about this guy. He said he can just fix this rust spot. But it feel like it's gonna be a waste of money just to fix that rust spot if I'm gonna repaint the whole car. So I think I'm gonna just leave it as is. Cause you won't really know unless I tell you about that rust spot. So that's something that I noticed. I'm thinking about putting some beats in the back, but I might just leave that alone too, man. Try to spend less money. I just want to just drive my car. This boy is a bad damn colors though, for real. Especially when she get cleaned up. Love this car, man. I had this car. I don't know if y'all know, I had this car for like 5 years. 5 or 6 years. But I'm about to go on here and spend that money on with it though. Got to. Feel me? I'm like, damn, you know, I'm flipping homes. Why not flip my car? I don't gotta keep flipping this. Do this one time, it's over with. On to the next car. But I'm not getting no car no time soon. Not an old school no time soon. I'm just going here and, you know, go crazy with it. Let me get in the car, man. This cigarette smoke stink. I'm still not working, though.
Yeah, I think I got the pattern,
Yeah.
so I'm gonna whittle it down, if that makes sense.
Damn.
The cuts until they're thin.
Okay. So I guess he gonna do the trunk next. He say what, 20? Ah, damn. Almost worked. We was all I thought it was gonna go down, man.
It twisted one direction.
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, man, appreciate that. Damn.
Almost there.
Okay. Damn. That's what's up. Man. I haven't opened up this trunk in like 6 months. Oh, it's up and down.
It turns very, very
right.
rough, but we're almost there.
Exactly. Okay. And we in motion, man. So once he get that side fixed, so of course it's gonna work with this side right here. But yeah, like I say, one day I'll just try to go in my car and the key ain't work. I'm like, what the hell? But real talk, I haven't opened that trunk up in like 6 months. We good, man. All right, y'all. I'm gonna holla at y'all when he get out. Let's see, y'all. Let's see. Damn, he almost got it. No. Okay. Stay tuned. All right. Third try. Damn it. Okay. Hey, that's the third try. That was the third try, right? So I guess the fourth try is the best try. Yeah, he probably gotta cut it a little bit more. All right, y'all. Hopefully he get it this time. All right, let's see. Okay. Let's see if it works. It should, though. Bingo.
What about this then?
Oh, wow. It should work for that.
Is there a lock on that side?
Yep. Oh, God. Oh, look. It went right through. Oh, yeah. You ain't in the camera. Well, I guess he got it. Now it's time to pay. Oh, he locked me in the door. Do you guys take debit cards? Okay.
So, I'm not sure what's going on. I said this is pretty much as close as I'm.
Yeah, man, that's cool.
It.
That's cool.
The only thing is the tension that you
Yeah.
have to do to unlock it.
Yeah.
Could potentially snap the key.
Okay.
So it works. It ain't working smoothly.
Okay.
I would say, really the best way to do it is, if you can, take the locks out, bring them in. However, this does work. It doesn't work good. I'm just gonna give it to you today.
Okay.
It's not good, but it's enough. But if you want to get it fixed, bring out just one of those locks. And see if we can get a smoother key. And then everything is back on the ring for you.
Oh, so you're not gonna charge?
No.
Oh, man,
Like I told you,
appreciate
man, it works beautifully.
Yeah.
For whatever reason, the doors. If you could bring one of the door locks in, I'd get a better look.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Are you guys open Monday?
Monday, yeah.
Okay.
9 to 5, man, 9 to 5. So I'm just giving that to you free, no charge. Because it works, but it's not.
Yeah, it's kind of janky, right?
Not pristine, so I'm not going to charge you for it.
Okay, man. Appreciate. What's your name?
My name's Gil.
I'm Kevin.
Yeah,
Thanks.
nice to meet you,
Yep.
Kevin.
All right, man.
Try to have a go.
Yep. That's what's up, though. We good. Let me start it up. So I gotta put that key on it. Yeah, you get.
You think they take tips? Or
What I'm gonna do. Start the car first. So yeah, y'all, he ain't even charged me, man. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have somebody take the lock out, and I'm gonna get it fixed. But for right now, that's good. You get what I'm saying? I can be in and out my car. Damn. Come on, crucial conflict. But yeah, man, that's good though. It worked. He ain't charging me because it's a little janky, but it's gonna do what it's gonna do. I can grab me some heat though. I gotta go do some other things though. I should watch the car, but it's gonna snow. I think it's gonna snow in rain tomorrow. So, but all right, y'all, just stay tuned though. I'ma holler at y'all in a minute. Man, the day going by pretty fast. It's almost dark. You know what I'm saying? I just had to run a couple errands. Now I'm about to grab something to eat, man. If y'all ever in the Indiana area, check this spot out. It's called Boss Man Tacos. They tacos used to be $1, so it went from $1 to $1.25 to $1.50 to $1.75. But it's good. It's good as hell though. I'm gonna show y'all the food when they get out. Yeah, man, I'm thinking about going to the park. The weather changing a little bit though. I do some though. I really had a late start. I should have got out early today, around 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock. But it's cool though, man. We all cool. We all good though, you know. How y'all feeling, man? I know everybody out. So 40 of y'all probably want to go wash y'all car. That's a damn mistake. It's gonna snow tomorrow. Damn, she taking a long time. All right, thank you, ma'am. She didn't get my house off. Let me just see it. I'm gonna pull around. She gave my receipt. No. Who can you trust though? Where the love go? You want to go back this way? You want me to pull over? Yeah, I'm gonna pull over. I want to show the people the food though. Man, look at all that stuff she got back there. She probably living there. All right, come on. Can my people see the food? Are you sharing? You think I should just drive though?
That's up to you. Just don't drive crazy.
Can you trust though? Where the love go? Let me see. How many tacos you got? Like 2? It's like our other spot though. The spot we went to the last week.
Where was that at?
It's on Rapid. Y'all, I do got some explaining to do. I think I am Mexican though, cause I can eat tacos all the time. But nah, these tacos good though. She got steak and chicken. 1 steak, 1 chicken. No onions. I already know how she coming. No onions, mild on the sauce. Put the sauce on the side.
You super fake.
What you mean?
I wasn't with you. You like, what you want?
But no, they tacos ahead though. Speaking of mild, I want some Harold's. You think I should just? I'm just turn the car off. Yeah, I'll probably go grab me some Harold's. I said that in my last video. That was like almost a month ago. I don't know. I just feel like Harold's that just bogus as hell. You know what I'm saying? Like the food good, but calorie wise, if you trying to get your body together, you can't be eating that. It's like you eating a goddamn thing of vinegar. Like sometimes they wings taste like vinegar. It's sour. Like lemon juice or something. But yeah, man. Everybody from the rack, we already know the best Harold's is where? 87, not off the damn round. Well, they got two of them.
Y'all say off the damn round.
Off the damn round. That's the old one though, right? Well, the first one was on the right side of the damn round. getting off the exit. And then they had one that's not even 95th. You know what I'm saying? It was 2 of them.
You just said 95th.
Right, I'm saying it was one on 87, and then they moved that one, then they put the one like right off the E-way. Is that still right there?
I don't know.
And then they got another one that they put back on 87 on the left side of the street. But that ain't the spot everybody talking about. The one everybody talking about is 87 and what?
Who is everybody?
Everybody be saying that's the best heroes in the city. The one on
not everybody.
majority of people. Where is that at? 87th or what?
Sangamon.
Yeah. So it's like 4 heroes, right? Well, 3. Going down 87. But yeah, man, I really want some. Either that or some jerk. The jerk be a hit. What's today? Friday. I might eat jerk Sunday. No ice cream, y'all. I've been eating ice cream. That's a real addiction. If you know, you know. I love ice cream, though. I love ice cream. But ice cream is so bad for you. But yeah, you know, but I do be intermittent fasting, though. So they say you can kind of eat what you want, but my metabolism's slow as hell. So, you know, no ice cream this week. I'll probably start eating, you know what I'm saying? Once I get back really on my diet stuff, I'm going to start eating ice cream twice a month. So, you feel, not every week, never every weekend. Because y'all can see my face a little puffy. But all right, y'all, stay tuned, though, man. Like I said, I'm just trying to find something to do. It's boring. Per usual. Indiana and Chicago. Ain't really nothing to do in the city. You know, I'm finna try to find something to do, though. You want to go to Ziggy's? Hold on, I'm put this right here, though.
I'll put that on the camera.
What? Ziggy's? What's wrong with Ziggy's?
That's gonna I'll give you something to drink.
You do? But all right, y'all, let me find something for y'all. You know, something for me to do. I'm tired of being in the room. That lifestyle kind of boring now. That's getting played out, though. But let me find something to do. I'm going to tap back in with y'all in a minute. Okay, where we at, man? We got the Benzo. They had the AMG up here. Damn, I think that's an inside. Let me walk around, though. Oh, yeah. Let me see if my girl, what's her name? Natalie. Proof of funds. We got that now. We got proof of funds now. They about to stop my ass. Hey! This mug decent. This the 53. How much they want? They probably want a crazy damn number. Damn. Low key, that's what I really want. But I want the S. The 63 GLE S. Let me see, it was another one that I was interested in too. Damn, that's all the way up here. Thought they had an SRT. I was thinking about just a regular like CLA, CLA 250. I think it look like this here right here. I really just need a little get around car. They about to be sitting on them. Damn. That's the one I wanted. Y'all want 40? Oh, it's 225. 47? Nah. How you playing around? 47,000? Come on, man. Hell no. It's the same stuff, 47. Hey, this mug sexy. What is this? This some AMG shit? Well, let's see. Oh, yeah, it's decent right there. Man, this at 300? See, I don't wanna. I'ma just look it up and see how much they want for the AMG though. If I go on there, they gonna hound me. Come on, come in, sit down. Yeah, man. I most definitely would like to get a Benz though, for real. Damn, yeah, it's getting cold. That AMG get up fast. They ain't got no sticker on it, goddamn. Probably just look it up. I'm pretty sure they probably want like 70 over taxing. Man, they plant, bro, 95. Come on, bro, 95K. We ain't doing that. It's getting cold out here. Hey, they want 95,000 for this AMG truck right there. Hey, playing.
You want how much?
95,000 for that one. Alright, y'all, I'm about to tap in with y'all when I head to this place. It's called Ziggy's. It's like 15 minutes away though. Yeah, just made it here at Ziggy's. So the thing is, when you got a Groupon with this, you gotta wait. So you probably gotta wait like 20, 30 minutes. Show y'all around though. Yeah, can we go kart? I don't think we can do go kart. It's a decent little place though. It's something to do, man. They got another facility right here. Let's give us something to do. There ain't really too much stuff to do out here. Let me show y'all. In the summertime, this be busting though. They got the go-karts ready. Bus this is winter. Just shut down. Yep. Oh, it's ready. I thought we had to wait like 20, 30 minutes. Turn the light off. Yeah. No, you didn't. You got my key? Yeah, you doing? Damn, it's windy. Dude, you know this, man. Sweet, man. She be lying to me, man. Thought we had to wait like 20, 30 minutes. They give you free popcorn too. With drink. You get the popcorn?
What do you need? Just need that.
Hey, this the game right here. Promise you. You get that jackpot. I like this one too. I be cheating. I grab a ball. I just, ooh. Popcorn. got the lemonade. A little salty.
You're not talking to your phone.
Hey y'all, she good at this one. I told y'all. I told y'all. Hey, I told y'all. She be rigging these damn machines up. So yeah, we got the other side now. They got more video games on this side. Hey y'all, this is my favorite game. So tap me in, let's get it. You don't gotta. Y'all already know. Put it on hard.
Singapore.
Yes, yes, yes.
Select your car.
Lamborghini.
Select your upgrade. Engine upgrade. Lightning. Checkpoint.
And third. I never lose, bro. Never. Third, bro. I mean first, I'm thinking. That's how we coming, man. What we gonna, you gonna cash out on it? So it's just 43?
It's 42 plus.
You might as well, what you wanna do?
It's up to you.
We can just play with it. But I don't know, it's up to you though, for real. Cause what we saving it for? Oh yeah, let me play. Let's play this. Oh damn. Tap me in. We both can play this. So. Yeah, we both can play. Oh yeah, you weak. Man, these balls hard as hell. Shoot with the left hand. With the left. Yeah, that's it.
Yep.
And we about to cash out. I thought you was done. It's up to you. I mean, we can play it, but what you gonna use it on? What about this? Let's see what type of candy they got. 43. I might get one of those. What you wanna do? So it's just 43 left. It should be less now.
28. Also, I need one of those. One of the gummy bears and one of the Sour Patch. One of the Sour Belts.
She wonder why she got cavities.
You want some food?
Some chews? Nah.
So another Albanese.
Those are good.
Three of the strawberry.
Wow, good. Go. Oh, you wanna play? Damn. Whoa, shit. Did I mess up the dough? Oh. Yeah, that was decent though. Now we about to head and grab something to eat.
This one.
Stay tuned though. Y'all got me a seafood pen. I just got the shrimp. Come with potatoes and corn. I ain't want the crabs. Damn. Can you open? What about this side? That door? Damn, this wind strong as hell. I'm about to demolish. I told them no butter. Watch out for that. No, I ain't even check. About to go demolish, you hit me? It's called Fisherman Island. We head to the room though. Food was just good as hell. I just came out here because they be playing a lot of copyright. Yeah. I ain't about to do nothing, man. Feel good as hell. 40 to 50 degrees now. So outside just getting some air. I'll go in a minute and just lay it down. What is this? Gotta get a car wash. It's gonna rain tomorrow though. Alright, y'all, man. That's the end of this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Until the next one.